So the next game that you guys may be aware of is the coordination game. So I'll just quickly do this. So I will choose my partner in crime, which you haven't seen, is Georgia. And let's say my other partner in crime, Ashley. So we have them, they could both go to the soccer together, or they could both see a movie. Okay. And hypothetically, right, they're best mates, so they really want to do things together because they enjoy each other's company. Okay. So it could be something like, well, if they go and see the soccer together, they could basically say, okay, we get 10, 10, right? And then if they both see the movie together, actually, why don't we make this one? Let's say Ashley really likes the soccer and Georgia doesn't particularly like it, so let's make that 0. Okay, and then we get 0, 10, because Georgia wants to see a rom-com. Okay, and then if they don't do things together, let's say it's let's say -1, -1, and -1, -1. Okay, so if you were to run the same exercise, okay, if Georgia wants to go to the soccer, well, Ashley would definitely prefer to go to the soccer. If Georgia wants to go to see the movies, Ashley will definitely prefer to see the movies. If Ashley wants to go to the soccer, then Georgia would want to go to the soccer. And if Ashley chooses to go to the movies, well, Georgia would want to see the movies. And what you can see here are two Nash equilibria, right? And this is basically the coordination game. So what you see here, the unusual thing is there's actually two Nash equilibrium. And in many ways, this kind of highlights some of the limitations of game theory. We don't know which outcome it could be. There are definitely ways that you can refine it, but we'll leave that for second year. There's a thing called sequential games. Like, for example, if you allow Ashley to go first, then obviously he's going to choose soccer, and then Georgia will then choose soccer. So there are ways to refine it, but we really don't touch on that in this particular course. So here, right, is one of the other games. Okay.